Packing video of IADVL textbook of Dermatology 5th edition. The purpose of making this video that most of doctor complaints they get single volume when they order on Amazon and Flipkart. So this is 3 volume sets. Volume 1 is now the volume 2. Okay, now volume 3. So this book comes in 3 volumes. You can see in video there are 3 books which is going to pack, and how we pack the book you can see in this video. Thanks for watching atithibooks.com. Now parcel is ready to dispatch. Thank you.